Most side hustles don't fail because people are lazy. They fail because they never made money in the first place. Let me explain. Millions of Americans start side hustles every year. Driving, selling online, starting YouTube, doing freelance work. But after a few months, most quit. Why? Because the numbers don't work. Not because the idea was bad, but because the math was wrong. A side hustle is a small business, and small businesses have costs, time investment, taxes, and risk. But most people only look at income. They say, I made $500 this month, but they forget gas, fees, software, advertising, self-employment tax. When you subtract everything, the real profit can be very small or negative. If your side hustle makes money, but you still feel broke, you're probably missing one number. Keep watching. It's called net profit. Net profit means money left after all expenses, not revenue, not deposits, not gross earnings, only what stays in your pocket. And most beginners don't track it. That's where things fall apart. Here's the biggest mistake. They don't calculate hourly earnings. Let's say you make $600 in a month. Sounds good, but you worked 40 hours. That's $15 per hour before expenses. Now subtract gas, supplies, taxes. You might be earning $9 or $10 per hour. That's below minimum wage in many states, and you took all the risk. Let's look at rideshare driving. Someone drives for extra income. They make $1,000 in a month, but $125 in gas, $120 in maintenance wear, platform fees, 15.3% self-employment tax. Now the real take-home might drop below $600, and that's before income tax. It feels like a win, but financially, it may not move the needle. Another reason side hustles fail is no clear financial goal. People say, I just want extra money, but they don't define $300 a month, $1,000, debt payoff, investing. Without a target, you can't measure success, and without tracking, you can't improve. Side hustles fail quietly, not dramatically, quietly. Profitable side hustles usually have low startup cost, scalable income, tracked expenses, and clear goal. Before starting, ask, how much will I actually keep? Not, how much can I make? Big difference. Side hustles fail financially because people track revenue, not profit. They ignore taxes. They ignore time value. They don't calculate hourly rate. They don't set a financial target. It's not motivation. It's math. If you want your side hustle to actually grow your net worth, start tracking your real numbers. I'll link a simple expense tracker below that makes this easy. And if you found this useful, subscribe. This channel is about logic over hype.